Hello friends! I want to show you how to make an easy and quick sugar-free vanilla cappuccino at home. Of course, vanilla is optional. Start by warming your choice of dairy-free milk in a saucepan. This step is also optional. If you prefer iced cappuccino, you can skip. I am adding a splash of vanilla paste. Add the instant coffee or espresso to a blender, alongside with vanilla and the sugar-free sweetener xylitol. Now add the cold or hot milk, and then blend on high speed. You can see the beautiful foam.